Today we will start with the introduction of mobile computing. Formally, we can define mobile computing as a technology that is capable of providing an environment which enables users to transmit data from one device to another device without the use of any physical link, cable, is known as mobile computing. It means data transmission is done wirelessly with the help of wireless devices such as mobiles and laptop. Now, since this is the first class, so we will like to have a formal introduction of mobile computing, the definition of mobile computing. We can further say that a technology that is capable of providing an environment which enables users to transmit data from one device to another device without the use of any physical link, cables, is known as mobile computing. So what does it mean? It means data transmission is done wirelessly with the help of wireless device such as mobiles, laptop, etc. Now, whenever any device is connected to a network without being connected physically over a link or cable, data transmission such as message, voice recording, videos, etc. can be done by using the concept of mobile computing. Further, we can say that mobile computing technology helps users to access and transmit data from any remote location without being present there physically. We can access remote data on maybe a remote machine at another part of the world. We can access from here. Thus, having such a big coverage diameter, it is one of the fastest, most reliable sectors of computing technology field. For example, just like consider these lockdown days. During this worldwide pandemic, it is only due to this mobile computing technology or wireless technology we are able to stay connected with each other. We are able to work from home without any hindrance. Though all the schools, colleges, offices are closed, but everyone is able to continue their work just because of this technology. So, let me say a few more words. Mobile computing is the framework that is responsible behind the working of mobile computing technology. It ensures the consistency and reliability of communication process through this framework. Mobile communication frameworks include communication devices such as mobiles, laptops, as rule of conduct, fitness, etc. They are responsible for delivering of smooth communication process. Mobile communication can be in one of the following forms as mentioned. Like there are several forms in which mobile communication can occur. First is mobile and wired. In this configuration, some of the devices are wired and some are mobile in nature. For example, laptop. Laptop is wired in nature, it is not wireless. Then fixed and wired, like laptop you can move, it is mobile device, you can move it from one place to another place. Now fixed and wired, in this configuration the devices are fixed at a position and are connected through a physical link for communication. For example, office desktop, computer. Whenever you access internet through your computer labs in college, then also it is we can say that it is fixed and wired. Now, what is the next category? It is mobile and wireless. In this configuration, devices can communicate with each other irrespective of their positions and can connect to any network without the use of wired device. For example, Wi-Fi dongle. If you have Wi-Fi at your college, in your office, in home, then you can stay wireless as well as mobile and stay connected also. Now, what are the applications of mobile computing? Some of the major fields in which mobile computing can be applied are web or internet access, global positioning system, emergency services, entertainment services, educational services. I think all of you have already learned that mobile computing is having its presence in all these fields. Like web or internet services, we can access IEEE transaction papers, we can access any medical journal with the help of this. And also global positioning system, it is very helpful whenever you are going to a new place. These days, even like Ola, Uber, taxi drivers, they use this GPS system, which is possible due to only mobile communication. And emergency services, there are some services like if you are stuck say at an elevator or at some unsafe place, you can use some app which can be helpful to inform or police or to some helpline numbers. Also entertainment services, everyone is accessing say Amazon Prime. You can watch movies, you can see cricket, each and every kind of entertainment is possible just with a click of just through your smartphone. Similarly, educational services also, best example is like we are providing online teaching to our students via different type of mediums, but it is possible only because of mobile communication. Also, even in health sector also, like there are some kind of operations which are done. Doctor is sitting at a remote side, maybe the operation is being held in Kolkata and the doctor is sitting at Bangalore. He is simply watching the video, giving instructions, and the operation is being done successfully. So these are all the features and applications of mobile computing. Soon I will be sharing a slide or PowerPoint presentation with you which will clarify the use of mobile computing better.